Hi guys, here 8 plus 2 is 10 times in bracket 5 minus 3 whole square divided by 2. Here 10 times, here 5 minus 3 is 2 power 2 divided by 2. Here 10 times 2 power 2 is 4 divided by 2. Here 10 times 4 is 40 divided by 2. Here 40 divided by 2 is 20 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 20 is the wrong answer. Here, we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 8 plus 2 times, the bracket here is 5 minus 3 is 2 to the power of this 2 divided by 2. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have 2 power 2. We have to do this 2 power 2 before any other operation. Here 8 plus 2 times 2 power 2 is 4 divided by 2. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, 2 times 4. We have to do this 2 times 4 before any other operation. So 8 plus 2 times 4 is 8 divided by 2. Here we have addition and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. So 8 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. Here 8 plus 4 is 12 is the correct answer.